leaving church. Good service. Big hat day. Actually, I said I was going to start wearing hats more often. So I have a whole bunch of them. So I'm going to start wearing hats to church. All right, let me get out of here. All right. So hope everyone is having a great day. I had a busy week, and you will see it in my blog.
You can do this, not looking at the camera.
Yeah, not look at the camera. Don't look at the camera so we can.
Are you studying the video?
Yes, I am. But it was a busy week. Out in the front yard, out in the backyard. Mackenzie, I see you. Don't do that. Like a dog. Bring one at a time.
I'm chocolate like a hoe.
You
guys need the wheelbarrow.
Ow, ow, ow.
We were looking for that little shovel that you just bought recently, the one you said you used in the your garden.
Oh, the flat, it's in the shed.
I couldn't find it. I just went right to the front and just. Okay, yeah. Watch your toes. Right here, Matt. I think right here. Yeah. Perfect. 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 That's perfect.
I'm so tired because I had to run and walk in my bucket.
I think this is probably enough.
Where should I put this one?
This looks like an empty space. Is that empty?
Yep.
Yep. Line it up right there.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, that's fine. So, oh, who stepped in this? I had this all nicely covered. So I put some mulch around that plant, that hosta there, and this hosta here, because they were transplanted. Well, actually, they were already here, but we kind of like took some of it out of these two hostas and moved them over across the yard over there. So now I probably should just refresh this entire area with mulch. Ay, ay, ay. All right, we'll see. Taking stuff to Goodwill. Not using any of this. Any of these. I'm taking these to Goodwill. I have a bunch of them. I hope I don't regret this. I really hope I don't regret this. But no, I would use them. Yeah. Hello. Good, thanks. I got just this box of dishes, kind of heavy. Let me watch it from the bottom because I think it might be get a little footage from my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You too. Just doing some tidying up around the house. And what else did I do? What else did I do? So it was a good service today. Something from Ephesians. I was running late, so I was listening to it in the car until I got there. And I'm so glad I went. I'm so glad I went. It's good. All right, so I'm rushing home now because my great niece has a soccer game, and she asked if we were coming. So I think I'm gonna go home and grab a jacket or something. I don't even have my shoes. I don't have shoes. The thing is, if I go to the house, it's gonna be a challenge for me to leave the house once I get there, because you know how it is. Once you get in the house, all kinds of things happen. Next thing you know, 20 minutes has gone by. I may just go over there straight, just like this, and just pop over and see, show my face, and then leave. But they are so cute. We've been trying to coach her on, sticking with the ball, because these little kids, they kick the ball and then they just watch it roll away, and they don't go after it. They just kick it and let it go. And we've been trying to tell her, continue to kick it and stay with it, to be aggressive. So we'll see what happens. It's just really funny watching it. All right, let me get on over there. So I got here and nobody's here, and it could be because it was a little drizzly today. It could have been canceled. Hubby's not here. There was only one car here when I drove up, and I think those guys have been playing basketball or something. But nobody's here. Nobody's here. Nobody's on the soccer field. All right. So, I guess I'll be heading home, and nobody's here. I'm hungry. Maybe I'll head to the diner. Yeah, going to the diner. I'm out. I'm going to the diner. Get something good to eat, sit down, decompress from church, and just get something good to eat. Anywho.